Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of hardness. Question is given as determine non-carbonate hardness if pH is given as 7 and the composition and concentration of various ions is given as for sodium positive the concentration is given as 56 milligram per liter. Similarly for magnesium 2 positive 30 milligram per liter. Similarly for calcium 2 positive 40 milligram per liter, aluminium 3 positive 3 milligram per liter, bicarbonate that is 190 milligram per liter, and for Cl negative it will be 165 milligram per liter. Now we need to find the NCH, but before finding the NCH, we need to determine what? We need to determine the carbonate hardness as well as the alkalinity as well as the total hardness. So we know the formula of total hardness. What will be the formula of total hardness? Total hardness will be equals to concentration of Ca2 positive into 50 divided by 20 plus magnesium 2 positive multiplied by 50 divided by 12. Similarly, aluminium 3 positive multiplied by 50 divided by 9. Now in the question, we had the value of magnesium 2 positive as well as calcium 2 positive and aluminium 3 positive. So we just write it as 40 into 50 divided by 20 plus the concentration of magnesium is given as 30 into 50 divided by 12. Similarly, for aluminium 3 positive, the value is given as 3 into 50 divided by 9. So the total hardness will be equals to 241.67 milligram per liter as CaCO3. So we had determined the value of total hardness, which will be equals to 241.67 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Now we need to find the value of alkalinity. For alkalinity, we need to find the concentration of CO32 negative, HCO3 negative and OH negative. But for OH negative concentration, in the question pH is given as equals to 7. Now if pH is equals to 7, we can determine the pOH value, which will be equals to 14 minus 7. So it will be equals to 7. Now if pOH is equals to 7, now we know the formula of pOH, which will be equals to minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. Now from this formula we will put the value of pOH as 7 and the rest formula is the same, that is minus log with base 10 concentration of OH negative ion. From this formula concentration of OH negative ion will comes out as 10 to the power minus 7 moles per liter. Now we know the value of concentration of OH negative in moles per liter. Now we need to determine the concentration of OH negative in terms of milligram per liter. For the conversion of milligram per liter, we know the formula, that is number of moles is equals to given weight divided by ionic weight. Okay. Now we want the value of concentration of OH negative in terms of given weight as milligram per liter. So we just multiplied with the number of mole, that is 10 to the power minus 7 into ionic weight, which will be equals to 17 gram, and we want answer in milligram. So we just multiplied with 10 to the power 3. So the value comes out as 17 into 10 to the power minus 4 milligram per liter. Okay. Now that will be the value of concentration of OH negative in terms of milligram per liter. Now we just put this value in the equation and we will solve for the alkalinity portion. Okay, now the alkalinity is given as concentration of carbonate into 50 divided by 30 plus bicarbonate, that is HCO3 negative, into 50 divided by 61 plus OH negative multiplied by 50 divided by 17. Now in the question we have only the value of bicarbonate, which is given as 190 milligram per liter. For carbonate it will be equals to 0. For bicarbonate it will be given as 190 milligram per liter into 50 divided by 61. Similarly for OH negative, we had determined the value in terms of milligram per liter, which will be equals to 17 into 10 to the power minus 4 milligram per liter into 50 divided by 17. Now if we solve this value, that is 190 into 50 divided by 61, it will comes out as 155.73, and if we add this value, that is 50 into 10 to the power minus 4, because from 17 to 17 it will cancel out, and this value comes out as 155.74 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Now we know the value of total hardness as well as the alkalinity. Now we can determine the value of carbonate hardness. Now carbonate hardness will be equals to the minimum of the total hardness as well as the alkalinity. Now from total hardness and alkalinity, the minimum value is alkalinity value, that is 155.74. So that will be the carbonate hardness, that is 155.74 milligram per liter. Now we need to find the non-carbonate hardness. Non-carbonate hardness will be equals to total hardness minus carbonate hardness. So the total hardness will be given as 241.67 milligram per liter minus carbonate hardness value is 155.74 milligram per liter. So the non-carbonate hardness will be equals to 85.94 milligram per liter as CaCO3. That will be the final answer, that is the non-carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 85.94 milligram per liter as CaCO3. Okay students, now if pH is given, we can determine the concentration of OH negative in milligram per liter, and we put this value in alkalinity and we can determine the alkalinity value. From alkalinity and total hardness, we can determine the carbonate hardness, because it is the minimum of total hardness as well as the alkalinity. Now we need to find it non-carbonate hardness, for which we need to subtract the carbonate hardness from total hardness, and we can determine the non-carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 85.94 milligram per liter as CaCO3 in this question. Okay, now that will be the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much students.